There he comes in. Whee! Whee! Here we are, St John Foundation. Just walking around to the playground, doing some repairs and stuff here. So you can see Richard's here working away. Grafting away, as you can see. Here we are with the St John Foundation, just having a beer with Toy and Richard. We've done some work.
Bit of grafting.
Bit of grafting. Hard work, that mate. And tomorrow, I don't know what we're doing tomorrow.
พรุ่งนี้ทำอะไร
Pruning, yeah.
พรุ่งนี้ทาสีซ้
Darcy, so tomorrow we're painting again.
Painting. Oh, okay.
Painting the equipment.
Painting tomorrow.
Maybe a little bit more welding, a bit more fixing things.
Yeah, repairing the welding we've
have
done
to
already.
Fix the slide.
Yeah,
We
yeah.
need some more
I'll
messages.
see you tomorrow.
Yeah.